Saw this piece of grass laying around and looked at it. It was flexible. It's pretty strong. So I'm going to try and make cordage out of it. Don't even know what kind of plant it is. But when you get experienced in making cordage, you can look at a plant and think and know that it's good for making cordage. And I'm going to show you how today. So, yep. And cordage is just string. I've said cordage to some people, and they look at me like I'm crazy, so just rope. So here we go. You want to take the rope and grab it somewhere near the middle, but you don't want the ends at the end to be even, so pull it so there's about an inch between one end and the other end. Alright, and then pinch it in the top so you don't lose your spot, and grab one end with your pointer finger and your thumb and twist it, and then use your middle finger, grab the other piece of cordage and pull it tight, or the other piece of fibers and pull it tight, and then twist. This is called the reverse wrap. Makes very strong cordage, but it takes a while to do. So just keep repeating that over and over and over again until you get however much rope you want. And as you can see, I've already started making rope. It looks like twine you'd buy in a store almost. And when you get to the end, there's a reason that they're not the same length. I'm going to break off a piece, so I still have a couple inches left, just to show you what to do when you get to the end. A lot of videos don't tell you that. And there is another piece of this same plant laying around somewhere because I just picked it up off the ground. So I'm going to find one real quick and then I'm going to be back. Okay, I've already found one. It's a lot thicker than the other one. So this plant has lots of different shapes. I'm just going to split it down the middle so I can save some room. And then I'm going to split it down again. And basically, to add another piece, you just find the shortest string and you just lay the other piece of fibers down on it and then twist them together like that and then start making rope just like you normally would. Oops. Slid out a bit. This is kind of wet now. Some pieces are rotten, some pieces aren't. And you just keep twisting it and twisting it just like you would before. And then you're going to have strong cordage. Don't use this rope. Well, I kind of messed up there, you can see it. But don't use this sort of rope for climbing by any means. Don't rely on grass for your life, okay? If you're going to go climbing, buy a regular rope. This is just for making bow drill sets, snares, and binding shelters, and a million other uses for cordage besides climbing and personal safety. So, get out there, try this, experiment with different plants in your area, and just have fun and learn your survival skills. So I'll see you guys next time.